fender flares right here. Because a while ago, you might remember I shaved those, and well, they look fine, but it makes my wheels look too small. And these wheels aren't small, they're bigger than factory, so these fender flares are gonna make the wheels poke a little bit, and they're gonna close this wheel gap so it'll look a lot better. So I'm gonna set up the GoPro, do a little time lapse, and I'm also gonna time it, see how long it takes me. And so I'll see you guys when that happens. Peace. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it's a little bit later. It is, oh, it's terrible lighting. It is 9:40, so that means that took me about exactly 3 hours. It took me 3 hours, which isn't that bad, actually. It took me 3 hours. I did all 4 fender flares. I know it's terrible lighting. I'm gonna fix it. So, I'll show you guys in the morning also, but I got all 4 done. If you guys haven't done this before, this is the biggest pain in the butt to do. So you gotta get way behind there and get all those nuts and screws, and it sucks. So that time lapse was just this right side, and then I turned it off to the other side. And I'll show you guys a finished product in the morning, but right now I'm gonna go to Taco Bell and reward myself for all that work, because that sucked. So see you guys in the morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's about 6:50 the next morning. Getting ready to go to work. And oh frick, the point, I was supposed to show you how the fender flares look, so let's show you. So here they are, nice factory look, good finish. The wheels poke perfectly. Super happy with how they turned out. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Also comment what you thought and give me some ideas on what videos you want to see. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.